All right, so let's see. So this is the product that I have. We'll do the unboxing of this thing, and then I'm gonna use it on the lawn and see, how good how good it does for my lawn. I know there's a lot of dead grass in my lawn. We're looking at it from the far, you may not see it. But I also don't have anywhere close to a perfect lawn, so I assume that all the dead grass from many years will be literally be detached by this machine. So let's get started with this thing here. I need a blade for this, so I'm just gonna start cutting the sides. All right, and I just want to be careful with top. All right, cool. And we will set the cardboard aside. We will set that aside. Here's a collection bag that comes in the box. All right, set that aside. And then I have this piece right here. All right, cool. And then it's really beyond that. Let's take this aside. Let's put some hardware over here. Okay. And this side as well. And then some more hardware. Okay. All right. And then. All right, after that it's just one piece right here. So let's do this thing. I'm just gonna drop this thing on the floor and then just carry this thing here. All right, so this is the machine right here. I assume the collection bag goes on the back over here. I just noticed it has this right here. These I believe are the ones that actually helps with the detaching. Put that on the side here. There's also a lot more hardware over here. I wouldn't say a lot more, but there are a few hardware in the bag. The manual, the instruction manual, of course. And then let's see. So I know when I was looking at review online, I saw that it had this handle to raise the height of the detacher. So I think I can use that one. And then if I flip it backward right here. Right now it has this thing here, I think it's called a scarifier. If I wanted to plant some grass seeds and I need some contact for the grass seed, so this right here will actually cut the soil, so it creates some contact patch for the grass. So I paid about 130 some, actually 150, close to $150 I think for this. One of the things that I saw between this product and the other products was that it actually came with this attachment, and also with the attachment that I was saying earlier about the detaching, which is what I'm more excited about, is the detaching. So, but it does come with this part, and that's why I decided to pay another $30 to get this product. And then there were lots of good reviews about this product as well. But then, like I said, the primary reason why I decided to go with the Sun Joe Dethatcher is really because I had the pressure wash from this brand, and it's been working really well for me. Okay, so with that said, let's put this backward like this. We will change the scarifier on this one into a dethatcher because that's what I need done almost immediately on my lawn. And then after that, we will use the scarifier to plant some seeds as well. All right, we'll start putting together remaining pieces here. Let's start this around for the next part. We will do this, and I'm actually going to use the owner's manual to find out what pieces go where. I don't think it should be as difficult, but it's always worth checking it. Let me do that, and then we will start recording back again. So this one I think goes all the way over here, and then we will screw it right here. You see that? So let's try to insert it all the way through to right here. Here are the screws for it. Okay, I think that works. The same thing on the other side. Now, what I have, so this right here is the dethatcher. It actually has these, I think they are called tines, and these are the ones that actually pull the dead grass out. I thought somewhere in the ad it said it comes with some extra tines, but I haven't seen those yet, so maybe that's something that I need to check. Alright, the next part is this one right here. Two of these. Set this aside. I'm gonna put everything back in the box. Put this back. Sorry about that. Okay. Alright, so I believe this one goes like this. I don't think it's from the outside. It's sorry, from the inside. I think it's from the outside, so, which makes the most sense, right? So bring the camera a little to this side. Let's put that together. I'm gonna use that one here, I believe. You literally put this thing here and then put this through. So this actually has a square thing at the head of the screw here. So you can literally just push that way. And we will go ahead and tighten this. Fit that in, put that together like this, and then put this from the outside. Good. Alright, and then put the other side as well. Those are good to go. I still have these clips for the cable, and I have these two pieces, and then now I think I have a piece that goes all the way at the top over here. Let me erase this thing. Okay. So I think the next thing that I need is the piece that goes over here on the top that actually has the starter on it. So let's bring that together. I'm just gonna do one more check to make sure I'm installing correctly. Alright, looks good so far. Step 4 is this one right here. Alright, let's keep this thing out here. Also get the other side out, and like this. That's it. Interesting. Also, let's make sure, yeah, it should be facing upwards, and then now I can put these things here. I'll put that right here. Good. and then for this, for a second, I'm gonna have to. All right, it's coming together really well. So let's look at this thing here. So like I said, it actually has a scary fire in there right now. So we will remove that and attach a dethatcher instead, which is right here. And this is the dethatcher. And then this one was one whole block that came together, this right here, right? And then if I go to the back, actually look at that detached, look at the scary fire right there. This is where the collection bag goes. But most videos that I saw did not use collection bag, and they were actually just, I think part of it was because they wanted to show how much detaching this thing is going to be able to do. Then I installed this piece right here. It actually has a screw over here. You just have to be careful to make sure that you're aligning the screw through the hole on the plastic part right here, and then also the hole on the rod over here. So once you align that part, once you do that, which should not be too difficult, the next part is this one right here, the green part. The screw head is on the other side actually, and then the thing that you use to tighten it, I guess this is for easy loosening and tightening, is actually should be on the outside. The same thing here. I have not tightened these things. There's plenty of space here, but I just wanted to make sure that this is how I'm supposed to do. And it looks good so far. And then now once I'm just about done, I'm actually going to put these clips on these things here, and that is what will hold the cable tight. I guess the idea being that you don't want this cable to be swinging around while you're working, and then the cable being caught into something that you're not supposed to, that is not supposed to be caught in, right? I also see that there's a little, interesting. I think this comes out. There you go. Just a cover for the protection right here. And I'm gonna be using that one right there to remove these two. So there are two of these. All right, so here you go. It's got a washer. I don't know, I think this is also a type of washer right here. And then you have this long screw. And remove that one as well. And this comes out just like that. And then we install this. So there is an insert on this side. Just align this thing here to the insert on this side, like this. And
let's get on top of this.
all right, and there you go. So we swapped that out, and now you have a dethatcher instead of this scary fire. Cool. So please, if you've seen my videos before, I always say please follow the instruction manual carefully, so you're not installing things incorrectly, or you're using the proper power voltage and the extension cords. I think this one requires an extension cord that will allow you to run the machine. So I actually got something from Costco that's gonna help me do that. I'm not using the regular, I think it said you need to use a 12 gauge wire. I think it was 12 or 14, one of those. Anyways, you just have to be careful and read the instructions so you buy the right sort of extension cord. It actually comes with this. I think this is what you use to start the machine. And we will remove this one right here. Let me actually do that. All right, one-handed, and it comes out like this. Okay, and then there's the collection bag in there, which I have not added yet, but pretty set right now. So the next work obviously is to take it to the lawn and see how it works.